Hello, successful people. Welcome back to the Iron Fire Success Channel. I'm DK.
And I'm Mo.
Thank you so much to our subscribers.
And if you're new to our channel, welcome. In today's video, we're going to give you a quick tour of our experience at the Bimini Beach Club and Pool Party
when we sailed on the Virgin Voyages Resilient Lady.
Let's get sailing.
This was our first time sailing with Virgin Voyages and our first time going to Bimini, Bahamas to the Bimini Beach Club. Although the wait for the tram to the Bimini Beach Club was long, the walk is about a mile, so I'm glad we waited. I found this map on the Virgin Voyages app and looked at it and decided we were going to get a spot on the beach close to the beach bar and the beach eats on the right-hand side where you see that green X. That's also the area that was close to the end of the pool where the action was when the pool party started. The pool party starts at 1, and you need to be in the pool when the party starts or a little before because they're going to throw pool floats into the pool and you want to be in the pool to grab one. So we decided to eat as soon as the food was available. So as we walked along this path, you see they have the area where you can sit and eat your food to the left. And when you get up to where the food is being served, you just have to get on any available line. Now you do have to go up to the front if you want to see what's on the menu, and I'll show you what was on the menu the day that we were there. I am sorry to report that this food was not good. It is not authentic Caribbean food at all. Now it wasn't so bad that we didn't eat, but definitely don't get your hopes up about the food at the Bimini Beach Club. So now I'm gonna walk back from the food area toward where we were sitting, and I have to pass by this bar. Here is a copy of the menu. I don't know why there were two menus, this abbreviated version, and then there was a long version of the menu that you see here, but at least you can get an idea of the prices. I ordered a blue frozen drink. I think it was the Bahama Blues. It was good, but it was really sweet. So if you order something that's pre-mixed and frozen, it's probably gonna be really sweet. Okay, so now walking back from the bar, I'll show you where we were seated so you can get an idea of how far it was. If you go this direction, watch that trip hazard. But I went to the right because we were behind the bar a little bit. And as you can see, there's plenty of seats here. So you should be able to find a seat, no problem here. And where is Mo? Let's see. Oh, there's Mo. Hey, Mo. You can just follow him and know where we were sitting. But to give you some other idea of the various types of seating available, I'll just turn around here and you can see that. Okay, so now I'm going to go back over by Mo. Here's a sneak peek of the crew getting ready for the pool party. So as you can see, they're bringing all of the floats from this storage area that they have back behind where the food is served, and they pile them all up here behind these cabanas by the pool. So they do this in advance, so that way at 1 o'clock, they just grab these floaties and they throw them all in the pool, and it's the mad scramble to get one. There's plenty of these, and we didn't have a problem getting one for ourselves when we were in the pool. Here's a 3-minute look at the high energy pool party. This party had beach balls and floaties and bubbles and music and dancing and drinks and mermaids. This party was a lot of fun. We had a great time at Bimini Beach Club Virgin Voyages pool party. Although the day was great, getting back on that tram was not a lot of fun. It was crowded and disorganized, but we made it. Thanks for joining us. I hope this inspires you to go to the Bimini Beach Club pool party when you're on Virgin Voyages.
Please subscribe for more content about new home construction and model home tours in and around San Antonio.
And subscribe to follow us as we continue to turn our new construction house into a home and give you cruise and travel tips too.
And as always, until next time, be peaceful, stay prayerful, and count your blessings.